so don't look up here.
3, 2, 1. Stop it.
They follow each other around, and then they keep each other company when you're at work.
De abandono. Gente.
Estamos com um visitante ilustre aqui.
Bean.
So we want to see every morning photos of the nurses that are in your life. Oh, my cat came to say hello.
It's official. Oh. Cat butt.
Partly sunny with some sprinkles possible late. 56. Hey, look at that. My cat Charlie just...
Okay. Yeah, that's a cute.
Hey, cat.
I tried to
Oh my God!
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi?
If in every K position of this.
Sometimes. Oh.
A great week, and we will talk to you next week.
You gotta get us back the perfect ending.
Today, people keep making their way to the U.S.-Mexico border.
Yeah, the latest numbers from the U.S.
It's hot. You really...
Starting today, only 3 Minneapolis beaches.
Many areas picking up 2 to 3 inches of rain, some places even more.
Which cat is that?
That's Puffy.
Puffy.
She was purring when she was...
Good morning, I'm John Paul.
And I'm Kelsey Cairns. This is a Good Day Memphis update.
I'm sorry, what was that?
This is Wednesday, 1 a.m. Thursday, excuse me, I'm trying to do my job.
Entertaining us in the studio for about 15.
There's been spottings of a cougar, and that's not it. That looks like a house cat.
Like, he's not overeating. I know that. Look at...
All the... No, you can't do that.
Temporarily closing to walk-in traffic.